If you're trying to decide between Monday.com and Microsoft Teams for improving collaboration, you're in the right place. Both have their strengths, but they also have weaknesses that could hold you back depending on your team's needs. Stick around as I walk you through a head to head comparison, and by the end, I'll reveal a better option for enhancing team collaboration. First thing, let's talk about interface and ease of use. Monday.com is known for its visually appealing and user friendly interface. It gives teams the ability to manage projects with a clear visual layout. Think colorful boards, tasks, and workflows that help keep everything organized. For teams that need a project management tool, it's great because you can customize boards to fit your process, whether it's Kanban, Gantt charts, or simple task lists. But here's the catch, it can be overwhelming for smaller teams or beginners to set up and get the most out of all the features. Sometimes it feels like you need a whole onboarding session just to figure out how to make it work efficiently. On the other hand, Microsoft Teams thrives when it comes to communication. Its integration with Office 365 makes it a natural choice for businesses already invested in Microsoft tools. You can collaborate in real time on documents, hold video conferences, and chat all in one place. The deep integration with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint gives it a strong edge for document collaboration. But while Teams excels in communication, it lacks the robust project management features that Monday.com offers. It's not as flexible when it comes to organizing tasks and workflows outside of chat channels. Next thing to consider is collaboration and communication. Microsoft Teams excels at this hands down. Whether it's messaging, video calls, or screen sharing, Teams provides a seamless experience. However, if your team needs more than just chatting and sharing files, like, say, in-depth task tracking and project progress, then you might find it lacking. Monday.com, while not as strong in communication features, offers a far better approach to project tracking and team coordination with its custom workflows, automations, and reporting features. The fourth thing is third-party integrations. Both platforms support a variety of integrations. Monday.com integrates with hundreds of apps like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, and Salesforce, making it a versatile choice for companies using multiple tools. However, Microsoft Teams shines here if you're already within the Microsoft ecosystem. The real advantage of Teams is its seamless integration with Outlook, SharePoint, and OneDrive. But if you're using a broader range of non-Microsoft tools, it may require more effort to connect everything. Another important consideration is pricing and scalability. Monday.com offers a free plan with basic features, but to unlock its full potential, you'll have to pay for one of the premium plans, which can get expensive for larger teams. Microsoft Teams, however, is free for anyone with a Microsoft 365 account, and the premium features are relatively affordable, especially if you're already paying for Microsoft Office. But keep in mind, Teams' premium version won't give you the same level of project management features as Monday.com. Lastly, let's talk about user experience and support. Monday.com offers solid customer support, and their community is active. You'll find tons of tutorials and resources to get you started. Teams, though, has its own learning curve, especially if you're new to Microsoft's interface. While Microsoft offers support, it's not as straightforward and personalized as what Monday.com provides. So, while Monday.com is fantastic for managing projects and organizing tasks, and Teams wins on communication and collaboration within Microsoft's ecosystem, they both have their shortcomings. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both, robust project management with real-time communication, after testing both, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description for a better alternative. Take advantage of the free trial through our link, and you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. In conclusion, both Monday.com and Microsoft Teams are solid choices, but if your goal is improving collaboration and productivity in a more seamless and integrated way, the option in the description will give you the edge.